Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got another kind of restoration project here. This is one of the very old 1/8 scale buggies that I bought probably 26 years ago. Last time I probably had this out was 16 years ago, which the video is on my channel. Low quality video, but it's there to see. So this is a Carson off-road fighter buggy. I don't know if anybody remembers that, but it's a great buggy. The engine I've just restored. It's just been in an ultrasonic bath, took it to bits. Had a few issues with the starter pin and the spring, which is attached to the crankshaft, which links to the pull start motor or pull start. So I've had to replace the pull start. It's completely brand new. Put the engine back together. It seems to be in good condition. I've not ran it yet, so that's probably going to be in the next video. Other things I've got missing off this that I need, that hopefully people can help me out with, is where can I find a body that will fit this, and probably a spoiler as well. I'm not too sure of the size. But I'm hopefully looking for a 1/8 scale body, or any type of body basically that can fit over this. It just needs another servo in it. I've already put one in, the steering servo, which is 25 kilograms, which is probably a bit overkill, but you can never have enough power in one of these. The engine itself is a Force 21. I think it's a 21R, which I'm not sure if it's ABC or not. But it's a 3.5cc engine. Like I said in the next video, I'm probably going to attempt to run this, and hopefully it'll run quite nicely. I've had to realign the bumper on it because it was damaged underneath, so I've had to take all the screws out. I've had to put heat on it to bend it back into some sort of shape, but I've managed to do that quite well. And then reattached, as you can see, reattached the screws underneath there. It's had a big bang, I think on the last outing it had. But overall, the car is it's got the usual scrapes and bumps on it, but overall it's quite good condition. Like I said, there's a new servo on it, which is 25 kilograms. So I've not done this yet, but I'm gonna test it so I can get my camera aligned. I'm gonna test it to see if it works. Hopefully it's going to be okay. So where's the orientation in here? Okay, that's correct. So that's got power to it. So yeah, that's fine. So yeah, that's a Carson off-road fighter buggy. Okay, so like I said at the start, if anybody knows where I can find some sort of spoiler and probably a body for it, please let me know in the comments. Like I said, I'm not too sure if you can still get these type of bodies or not. A lot of the new cars now are kind of like thinner, so if you know where I can get some sort of body that can fit a retrofit body, just let me know. Okay, thanks a lot. Hopefully the next video will be the engine running, hopefully. Okay, thank you. So, after snapping the pull cord twice and fixed it, here's the third time, so hopefully it's not going to snap, because I put a nut in there to try and stop the piece of string, which is pretty crap, from going all the way through and snapping. So hopefully it'll work. Okay. Finally, there you go guys, engine's running. All I need now is a body and a wing. Put the servo in, connect that up. I've got a refurbished buggy. Okay guys, thanks for watching.